Hey, this is Bhavani. Welcome back to my channel. This video is to quickly update and answer all your questions, your comments, and your concerns. First of all, thank you for all those. Again, where has Bhavani been? What has she been doing? Why are there not any latest videos uploaded onto her channel? So this summer has been very busy. I did take up quite a few responsibilities in the summer. So I was teaching a couple of classes, which I did not anticipate. In addition to teaching classes, I also wanted to know what happens in the back end before students come into those classes. That is, I took up some advising hours. I wanted to see how I can help students better with the financial aid, with the different resources from college, different testing, all the advising stuff that I wanted to know. And with all of this, I also took up a new role as a department chair. And with that responsibility comes a lot of training, hiring, credentials, and much more. And to add to all of this, as you all know, the new artificial intelligence kind of creeped up on all of the educators and it has come into public consciousness. So I was fascinated by all these large language models and I was constantly studying, taking courses to see what can I do and how can I incorporate this into my classes. And with this learning, I did have an opportunity to present on artificial intelligence. I was presenting on demystifying artificial intelligence to various ISDs. I was part of the panel speaker series. And one of the best things that happened to me in the summer was I was given an opportunity to be a keynote or guest speaker in one of the HBCU universities, which I really worked hard to prove myself. So that's what my summer was all about. But trust me, I do have a lot of videos coming up. I do have a lot of videos on Canvas, artificial intelligence, just to demystify them for you. After all, what's the point of me learning and not sharing it with you, right? In addition to all of this, yes, I do have my glasses now, that which I will be needing to see all my screens. This is also something new. So please bear with me and do support me as you were supporting before. And please stay tuned for videos from my side. Until then, happy teaching and please do take care of yourself.